back, everybody. Today we are making an appetizer and is potato wedges, and this is a homemade shake and bake style. The recipe is down in the description box along with miscellaneous cooking items for your kitchen and home. So let's get to shaking. All right, we got a 1 gallon plastic bag. I'm gonna open that up. Nice and open. So we have a teaspoon and a half of paprika. We're going to dump that in there. Teaspoon and a half of onion powder. Teaspoon and a half of garlic powder. We have an eighth of a teaspoon, quarter teaspoon of salt. And an eighth teaspoon of pepper. Let's get this all mixed up. You want it to somewhat look even, and we're there already. Now, I have the most ugliest pan you have ever seen because this pan is ancient. This pan is ancient. And I don't want to use my good baking pans, cookie sheets, for non-stick spray. So we're just going to spray this, coat it real good. And now, that's done. We have a quarter cup of vegetable oil, and we have sliced potatoes. Now I used, that's about 1/3 of an inch, 1/4 inch, sliced them up, took the ends off. I used 3 big potatoes. You can use some small ones, and we're going to dunk it in here, just enough to coat it, and then we'll throw it in our bag. Make sure you take the excess off because we're going to need it for the rest of the potatoes. Throw it in there. It'll coat. We're going to get some more in there so we can shake it. Get that off of there. You're going to have a mess. I like to leave the skins on. Personal preference. All right, we got a couple. We'll place it right on our cookie sheet, our nasty cookie sheet. One that's been around the blocks for a lot of years. Now, if you need more seasoning, which we will, you just make more. All right, I got them all coated. This was kind of the last one. This was roughly 1 potato, and I had to do another batch of the mixture. So you do 2 batches, 2 times the recipe got me this. Now they're fairly coated pretty good. So we're gonna throw this in the oven for about 35-40 minutes until they're soft, and we'll go check them out after that. Okay, took them out. They've been out for about 5 minutes. And you can see how soft they are. They're in there for 35 minutes. There's a lot of coating on these. Very nice. They slide right off. And you can see, look, they're all non-stick. And there you have it, potato slices. Shake and bake. All right, let's give it a try. I'm going to use a fork because I'm going to take just a piece off. This will go excellent with sour cream. Put sour cream on top of this. You're getting a lot of the onion powder, the garlic powder. Now, 1 potato produced. Actually, that was a potato and a half. Produced 2 times the amount of that recipe that's down in the description box. So times it by 3, you get 2 potatoes out of it. Depends on how many cookie sheets you want to do at one time and how many people you want to feed. So until next time, this is a Classical Gourmet wishing you happy cooking.